You're going to need a grater, preferably not from the dollar store, some grass-fed ground beef, a baking potato, a single egg, a couple of small onions, some breading mixture, a Guinness for yourself, nicotine, because you need nicotine, as well as some avocado oil. We're going to take that lamb fat and we're going to use it because it's delicious. Crack that egg, toss it in the bowl. Take the Guinness, stir it up a little bit because it's delicious. Once you're finished pouring that delicious looking Guinness, sit back, drink, enjoy. You're going to take the lamb fat and you're going to grate it on a fine grate. Mix that all into the bowl. This is what gives it the wonderful taste, really. Chopping the onions, we're also going to grate these as well. A little bit of a not as fine grating. Go remove some of the water. That's going to help the cutlets be crispier. Same thing with the potato. Grate that and also hold it in your hands. Then remove the water a little bit, or a lot. Then you throw that in. Salt to your taste. Some chili peppers that I made from my garden, scorpion chili flakes, actually. Mix it all up. Give it a good mush up. And then you're going to preheat the pan. Make sure it's on a medium heat. You got your breading. You're going to make these into kind of the palm size balls and flatten them out with the edges a little bit thinner than the actual middle. And once you got that, put it in the bread, coat it up, drop it in the pan. I had a lot in the middle over there, so I just made one giant one. It's going to take a little longer to cook, but hey, it's still delicious. These are going to need about 6 or 7 minutes on each side on a medium-low. You don't want to overcook these, but you also want to make sure they're cooked all the way through. And almost dropped the pan over there. But look at that crispy, golden, beautiful cutlet in Farsi, and cutlet in English. You gotta have some hot sauce and some picklage. I like mine with some ketchup. Very Canadian of me. Yes, take a look at it. It all came out quite nicely. Now sitting down watching Star Trek, as I always do, and with my lovely dog observing, as she always does. First bite, delectable. Hot sauce, add to the ketchup. Next bite. And most importantly, don't forget your dog. Bye, everyone.